This is the VIKYLIN Color View 5 megapixel outdoor IP camera with audio. Let's take it out of the box. Before I take it out of the box, this is an unboxing review only. I will not be demonstrating the product and I will not show you how to use it. In the box you get the user manual, weatherproof boots for the connections on the camera we'll talk about in a minute, a drill template. This is a sticky back type thing, so you can stick it up, it peels off, you stick it up and then you can drill out the holes that you need for the mounting bracket. Included are screws and wall anchors, and here is the camera itself. This camera is a PoE camera, power over Ethernet. There is an Ethernet connection, as you see there. This other connection, if you're not going to be using PoE, you can plug a 12-volt power supply into that. And of course, here is the camera itself, right over here. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the camera, and then we'll wrap this up. First, the easy stuff. Of course, you can turn the camera. You can see how you can, it's like a ball and socket, so you can move it around and that kind of stuff, so you can aim it properly as such, once it's of course mounted. It's not turning, it's not like a PTZ type camera, it's a fixed camera. So once you have it in place, that is where it's going to stay. So as stated earlier, this is a 5 megapixel camera. Resolution is 3072 by 1728 at 20 frames per second. You can of course lower that to get a higher frame rate if you'd like. It offers audio built in, so it can record audio to your NVR system, and it has full color night vision. It's an f1.0 super aperture 2.8 millimeter lens with a 113.9 degree field of view. It has a Sony image sensor. It has built-in motion detection. This camera can accept a microSD card directly of up to 256 gigabytes. It also has a built-in spotlight, as you see right here, that can be turned on or off. The housing of it is metal. It's Ip67 Weatherproof. It's plug and play with VIKYLIN or Hikvision NVR systems. You can also get the VKLOOK or Hikvision app on your tablet or phone to view information on the camera, and the camera does support the ONVIF protocol. So once again, this was the VIKYLIN Color View 5 megapixel outdoor IP camera with audio. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.